How to pair Sudio earbuds. So first, remove the E2 earbuds from the charging case and fit them inside your ears. Now go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, and then the E2 earbud LED lights are flashing white and orange while scanning for available devices. So for iPhone, go to Settings app and select Bluetooth. For Android, go to Settings app and then select Connections followed by Bluetooth. For Windows 10, click on the Start button and select Settings followed by Devices, and then Bluetooth and other devices. For Mac OS, go to System Preferences app and select Bluetooth. Locate and select Sudio E2 in the Bluetooth list on your device, and when paired, you will hear the audio feedback connected. If E2 has previously been paired with your preferred device, simply remove the earbuds from the charging case and they will automatically connect so long as Bluetooth is activated on device and E2 has not been paired with a different device more recently. And that is how you can easily pair your Sudio earbuds.